Not many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchange in local area. Welcome to the for the most part decentralized finance new symbol of Bitcoin, Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV gives less expensive and lightning quick exchanges, killing the intricacies associated with the decentralized biological system. Before we dive into the Bitcoin SV cost expectation, let us view a portion of the fundamentally one-of-a-kind elements of Bitcoin SV in an especially large manner. Bitcoin SV, displaying an unrivaled exhibition incredibly. Bitcoin Money is the second biggest fork of the Bitcoin organization, and from that point forward, there was one more fork in November 2018, Bitcoin SV, BSV. It was made to re-establish the first Satoshi convention, generally keep it stable, and scale hugely. As a guileless contestant in 2018, extremely couple of individuals knew about Bitcoin SV and were a little uneasy in exchanging BSV amazingly. A critical benefit truly is that you can execute rates as the organization grows, adding to a remarkable expansion in the quantity of diggers. Upheld by a strong and high transfer speed pretty open blockchain stage, Bitcoin SV has tended to the openness issues, setting up a crossover agreement system. A one-of-a-kind component is that it can trap fake or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block really is equipped for following the first block. Bitcoin SV depends on cryptographic techniques that generally are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or a message on the really other party engaged with the exchange. A remarkable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This detectable quality essentially makes it exceptional contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. BSV as a token has been making dynamic developments in the digital money market. Recorded on most of trades, the token generally shows a market capitalization of $1,696,752,441.73 and is right now having a volume course of 19,013,008 BSV on the lookout. In the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the cost of the token has weighted around $89.20. The specialists for the most part have changed feelings in regards to the BSV cost expectation for what's to come. In view of the BSV cost expectation, and in every practical sense, long-haul increment is normal. The cost visualization during the current year is around $12.663. As indicated by the Bitcoin SV cost expectation assessed, the bullish convention could go on as long as possible. BSV/USD ought to wind up marginally higher, say by 2022, $82.10, best case scenario, in an especially significant way. Bitcoin SV expectation, BSV/USD could explicitly arrive at a value normal of around $259.564165 toward the finish of 2022 and by 2025. Going up to the most extreme cost of $842.27495, which certainly is very huge. In any case, this generally is keeping fingers crossed. Going by what it was previously, BSV/USD sounds exceptionally bullish as it has shown a solid consistency. By December 2022 end, the cost of Bitcoin SV ought to effectively swing around $88.096. Since December 2021, BSV coin was confronting rectification. In spite of the fact that, there sort of was an essentially slight recuperation from February 2022, however, from that point onward, the coin in every practical sense, has enrolled in unpredictable development since spring. At present, the cost of Bitcoin SV in every practical sense, is exchanging over the multi-day MAMA, which is a decent sign. However, the cost is as yet exchanging under multi-day MAMA an unpretentious way. As per the current situation, it is especially anticipated that BSV will show kind of moderate recuperation for the time being. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2022, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. In view of 1-year authentic information and expectations, there are even cost figures that the coin might think of its blockchain stage changing itself from Ethereum base getting truly enrolled on the planet's significant cryptographic money trades toward the finish of 2022, taking its cost to $125.31. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2023, which is very huge. The year's ends 2023 could offer a buy to all negative and critical cost patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for BSV. It could basically mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments loaded with positive thinking. The esteemed resource would ascend to a future cost of any place between the scope of $125 to $155. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2024. In the realm of digital currencies like BSV, there could be an estimate of wonders, and there could be wizardry in the truly present moment as well. 5 years is quite a while. According to specialists' report, with a pandemic immunization coming to the front, it might mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV, which is very huge. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment, which is genuinely huge. It wouldn't be an embellishment that this evaluated cryptographic money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $156.27. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2025. With government-issued types of money unfit to generally support themselves directly following the pandemic, this could come as a relief for all BSV financial backers, driving them to the way of sort of high expectations and goals to execute in Bitcoin SV. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can explicitly expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of BSV would in every way that really matters, develop dramatically, by when Bitcoin SV might be a carefully prepared player incredibly. Actually look at here are other long-haul cryptographic money forecasts. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2026. The BSV cost gauge has really somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from the very start towards the year's end, which is genuinely huge. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships in this year 2026. New organizations would bring Bitcoin SV, BSV, to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money cost fixed at $176.75. Is BSV crypto a wise venture? Bitcoin SV, BSV, can be a productive venture choice. The cost approaches $89.73 as of now, however financial backers should by and large take care of any outstanding concerns.